right. Move this out the way. If you haven't already, please make sure that you have your first and last name on your packet. Today is the 9th. This week, we have our warm-up. Let's do our homework. Let's do, we have a quiz. Our quiz is on systems, inequalities, and equations. Yes, ma'am. Okay. It doesn't say. Your name didn't pop up yet. Today, we're going to do our warm-up, and we're going to work on graphing inequalities. Systems. It's up now. It took a minute for it to come up. Systems of inequalities. We have partner today, and we're doing word problems with our partner. Okay. Our homework for tonight is there's a video that I need you to watch for homework, and there are going to be 10 problems in that video that I want you to do.
Ms. Rose, do you have Jared with you?
I don't have a Jared. You're welcome. Okay. We'll pause, give you a chance to write. I am going to give you white paper for the problems that I want you to do in the video. All right, so for this right here, this is going to be Monday's problems, and they're in the video. All right, let's take out our planner so we can write the stuff that's in our planner. This is week 6. Time is rolling, rolling, rolling. Everything is due June the 3rd. Everything is pretty much done. June 3rd, everything is done. All right, so we got math 1. Okay, please make sure that you put the dates at the top. This is Q4 week 6. It's from May the 9th to Friday the 13th. Math 1, we're going to write it right here. We have homework tonight is going to be video problems. Wednesday is a modified schedule, but we will still have, we'll go to lunch in this class. We have math 1. It's a modified schedule. There's tutoring, virtual tutoring at 3 p.m. And then Friday, we submit everything on Friday. Move the cursor out the way. So we got math 1, submit work. And we have math 1 quiz. Our quiz is on systems of equations and inequalities. I'm pause to give you a chance to write. All right, take out your homework packet from last week so I can give you the answers to those problems. I'll give you the answers to those problems. This is Wednesday's homework here, and in the back is Thursday. And then Monday and Tuesday are problems, and I'm going to end up having to do more here because we didn't understand more than what I thought. So it's going to be, oops, this day, sorry. And this is in the packet. Yes, babe.
You'll post the videos like in Remind or something?
I'm gonna put. Well, I just put them on Canvas because I think somebody was complaining they don't want it sent to Remind, so I stopped sending it to Remind and just put it on Canvas. All right, any questions? All righty. Let's look at the warm up, please. All right, determine the x coordinate of the midpoint. Determine the x coordinate of the midpoint. What's the midpoint formula? Does anybody remember what the midpoint? I'm gonna just put M for midpoint. Does anybody remember what that formula was? Yes. You said, say again, I'm sorry. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. Very good. Okay. All right, so we're going to find the midpoint of the x coordinate. So what do we add together to get the midpoint for the x coordinate? What two numbers do we add together here? Yes. Say again, babe. 4 plus a negative 5, because this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay. For kicks, how do I do the y?
1 minus 1 plus 6.
1 plus 6 divided by 2. So what does this give me here?
-1.
-1 over what?
2.
2. And this is my x coordinate that I'm looking for. What would this be?
3.5.
7 over 2, which is equal to what? 3.5. Okay. Any questions about that? This is your x coordinate for midpoint. Let's do the x-intercept and the y-intercept. What is y equal to for the x-intercept? If it crosses the x-axis, sorry, it's 0. What is x equal to for the y-intercept? 0. So let's find x-intercept first. Let's substitute 0 in for y and solve for x. Maddie, you okay then? And let's do the y-intercept. Do it the same way. Substitute 0 in and solve for y. Okay. So we got our ordered pair here and our ordered pair here. Okay. Any questions, comments, or concerns? I'm going to pause to give you a chance to finish that up. All right, here we go. Yes. You got it? Okay. All right, so we're going to graph the inequalities. We're going to start here, graph the inequalities, and in order to see if this point fits, it has to be in a shaded region or on a solid line. If it's not in a shaded region or on a solid line, then it's not a part of the solution. Okay, so obviously one of the points is going to be in the shaded region and the other point is not going to be in the shaded region. So let's do the first one together. Let's graph this one. We find -4 on the y-axis. We go up 1, use the slope, up 1, to the right 2. Okay. Opposite direction, down 1 to the left 2. This is a dashed line because there's no equal to. So if the point is on a dashed line, it's not a part of the solution. And we're going to shade. This is greater than, so we shade above. And I'm drawing little lines so that I can erase. Now I'm going to do the second equation. I'm going to find positive 1 on the y-axis. The number that's in front of x is 1 over 1, so I'm going to go up 1 over 1. I'm going to go down 1 to the left 1. And solid line or dash line? Shade above or below?
Above.
Above. So guess what? This is the overlapping region here. So we got either this way, which is positive 1 and negative 2, or positive 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is in the shaded region?
The 2.
This one right here.
Oh, so that, and then you just keep going.
And then you just keep going. Okay. You erase this order there. Any questions about how to do this? Yes, baby. This one right here is 2, 4. I went over 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in the shaded region, so it's the solution. Gotcha. Okay. Does that make sense now? Okay. All right. So I need you to go ahead and finish this. I'm going to set my timer for about 10, 15 minutes. This is going in your notebook. You're going to paste this in your notebook, okay? All right. Just keep going. Let me do this one. I'll just leave this one alone, Dalton, and I'll do this one, okay? All right. So let's graph this. The first thing in graphing is that you have to find B. This is your M. This is your B. Okay? So you're going to put B on the y-axis. So find negative 3. Negative 3 is here. Are you okay with that? Okay. So now your slope is 3 over 2. So that means you go up 3 and to the right 2. Are you okay with that? Are you okay with that? Okay. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Opposite directions that are going up, go down. 1, 2, 3. Instead of going to the right, go to the left. 1, 2. You see how there's no equal to sign here? So this line is going to be a dash line. Are you okay with that? Dalton, are you okay with that? Okay. All right. So now this symbol right here is less than. It makes like the L. This is your less than symbol. So you shade under the line. So that goes this way. And I'm going to draw it very lightly because I only want the overlapping region. So I know I'm going to have to erase some of it possibly. Do you understand? Okay, so now I'm going to do the second line. Positive 6 is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Got it? My slope is negative 3 over 4. So that's down 3 and to the right 4. I can't make both of them negative because a negative divided by a negative is going to make that a positive slope. So I'm going to make the top negative and the bottom positive. So that's down 3. 1, 2, 3. And to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see that? 1, 2. What's wrong with you? You said, oh boy, what's wrong? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's all we have here. Let's connect these. Is this going to be a solid or a dash line? It's going to be a dash. So now, Dalton, you ready? So we're looking at this line right here. You see this line? It says less than, so you shade under. So that's under. So the overlapping region is going to be this. Do you see it? So I'm going to erase everything else if it's not in that region. Does that make sense now? So now I'm going to look to see which one of these points is in the overlapping region. So we got 4 and 3. So that means I go over 4 and I go down 1, 2, and 3. You see right here? That's in the overlapping region. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Positive 4. Go the other way. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a no, right? Okay. So let's try the other one. 3, positive 3, and 2. This is 3 and 1, 2. Is that right? Oh, that's right. So what did I do? 4. Hold on, y'all.